Hi, so this is Nirmal. So let's see what happened today, what will happen tomorrow markets. Okay, so Nifty from today day slow 9056 went up to 9177. Okay, then it came down. So it happened already. I told yesterday. Market will take in support of 9000. It will go to 9150, 9170 itself. Last week itself at Sunday I informed market in the range 8800 to 9150 to 91280 or 9200. Okay. Many of us telling it will go below 8800, but I clearly telling the range is this is a range. Okay. This is a range that I clearly told. And today I am not fully satisfied with this rally. Many times I am telling Bank Nifty should support supports. Bank Nifty is today totally not supporting the markets. At one point it went up. I also given call option in Telegram that gives 60 to 70% return within the 10 minutes. So after that it went down. Okay. Many times I told the main culprit is Axis Bank and SBI. Today also Axis Bank down and SBI also down. Okay. So whenever Bank Nifty is closes at day low at the end of the session means market coming days will be not good. So market will correct at some point. Okay, Nifty may be under point like that. Okay, so Bank Nifty is not supporting the market. So Nifty will again be possible to go to 9000 like that. So again Nifty will come to the range 8800 to 9200. In this range only Nifty will come. Again, let's see about we reviewed about Nifty Pharma on Sunday. So I told the 9000 is getting a good support. So this range is getting a good support. It's possibly it go high. Okay, 9000 is getting a good support. Possibly go high. Okay, so it low. This candle low 8999 is not a bridge. Okay, so again it came down to 9000. It went up to 9547. Where it will go like that 9600 9700 it will go like that. Okay, so whenever the sector is completely bullish, if it's going down in some point, find the support level and buy those shares. If you see Arabindo Pharma, Lupin, are all outperforming. Okay. JB Chemicals, Alkylamine, like that. So find this type of shares and trading this. So now we will see about Arabindo Pharma. That it's a clear-cut breakouts. Okay. So Arabindo Pharma is trading many times around 680 to 690 ranges. Okay. Many times it went to 680, 690 ranges. Again it came down to 640 ranges. Okay. Again it came to 700, 690 ranges. Again it came down to 650 ranges. Okay. Now the break is happened here. Closing is 707. Closing is 707 like that. So this is a 5 days chart. Now you can go and buy also Aravinda Pharma. Okay, with the stop loss of previous resistance 690 to 695 ranges. Okay, I many times told you take reference take reference big candle high and low. Okay, this low not broken, this low not broken this side. Okay, so this closing 707, this closing 73. Hope this also won't break in near futures. Okay, so Aravinda Pharma will go high and high only in coming days, like that. And I expect ahead of long weekend, Monday holiday, tomorrow also some profit booking. I like that my market is something will be happen. Like that. Okay. India also to rally yesterday as I told. Okay. And some information is Avenue Supermarket, Neogen, and some other shares also come out of Apple. Some other shares come out of T2T segments. Okay, so hope this shares will rally tomorrow also. Apple is closed today at opposite Q, 5%. Okay. Like that, demand also tomorrow may be outperform like that. Okay. In current scenario, focus on pharma shares. Avoid financials. Okay. SBI, Axis, ICICI Bank. Avoid. Focus on pharma shares. Okay. And another share, I want to tell you something about ITC. Yesterday only I saw, okay, at 174 I saw, okay, it's continuously moving up from 160 ranges. Okay, yesterday I bought some shares and sold some yesterday itself. Okay, but today also it's going up with the good volumes. Okay, I hope something will be going to happen in ITC. Okay. The high was around, I think so 190 is a high in some days. Yeah, 193 is a high. Once it's crossed means surely 200 is possible is for ITC. So keep on eye on ITC. If 193 crosses means and close in good volume means 200 is possible for ITC in these cases. And another thing, don't chase Bharti Airtel after the big run. Every time Bharti Airtel, if in any big run means it will consolidate after the big run, 1 or 2 1 week, 1 week, okay, minimum. Then after only it will run up. Okay, I saw many times like that only happen in Bharti Airtel. Okay, as of now, follow that the 560 to 565 as a stop loss and buy with that. Okay, don't chase it's above gone above 600 605 like that. Don't chase like that. Okay, if you get 580 line is now you also buy. So focus on IT and pharma only. Okay, tomorrow you can buy like that any pharma shares also like that. Okay. And keep on telling this India Siemens also going higher only above 1.4 is a very bullish, okay, forming higher high only. Today also 128 is a high. If you want to buy now also you can buy the stop loss of this candle low 118. Okay. It's a pure bullish. Select the bullish shares and buy that type of shares. Don't go with the financials in the near term. Okay. As of now, market fill the range 8,800 to 9,200. Wait, buy on dips. Okay. Don't chase this market. So that's it. This all about the tomorrow market. Bye.